Michael Yuri Janitch, aka Dutchsinse. This cease and desist order is to inform you that your persistent actions, including but not limited to internet harassment, have become unbearable. You are ordered to stop such activities immediately as they are being done in violation of the law. I have the right to remain free from these activities as they constitute harassment, stalking, etc., and I will pursue any legal remedies available to me against you if these activities can continue. These remedies include, but are not limited to, contacting law enforcement to obtain criminal sanctions against you and suing you civilly for damages I have incurred as a result of your actions against me. Again, you must immediately stop your harassment and other unwanted activities and send me written confirmation that you will stop such activities. You risk incurring some very severe legal consequences if you fail to comply with this demand. This letter acts as your final warning to discontinue this unwanted conduct before I pursue legal actions against you. At this time, I am not contacting the authorities or filing civil suit against you. Editor's note, I've already contacted the authorities. I have not filed a civil suit yet, as I hope we can resolve this matter without authoritative involvement. I am not, under any circumstances, however, waiving any legal rights I have presently or future legal remedies against you by sending you this letter. This order acts as one final chance for you to cease your illegal activities before I exercise my rights. To ensure your compliance with this letter and to halt any legal action I may take against you, I require you to fill in and sign the attached form and mail it back to me within 10 days of your receipt of this letter. Failure to do so will act as evidence of your infringement upon my legal rights, and I will immediately seek legal remedies to the situation. Sincerely, Wayne Dodson. Cease and desist compliance agreement. Editor's note, what I have just read is a video presentation of a letter that I am sending to Michael Yuri Janitch. This cease and desist compliance agreement represents the portion that he is expected to read, sign, and return to me within 10 days. I, insert perpetrator's name here, do hereby agree to stop insert unwanted activities here, which are in violation of Wayne Dodson's rights. I understand that this is my final chance to cease these activities. I understand that your full name here potentially has the right to pursue legal action against me. That's my full name, Wayne Dodson. No middle name. Potentially has the right to pursue legal action against me relating to my engagement in these activities, but she will not pursue those rights in contemplation of my compliance with this written demand. I further understand that Wayne Dodson has not waived his rights and may pursue legal remedies against me if I fail to abide by this agreement. I understand that this agreement is not specifically limited to the activities named herein. Let me repeat that. I understand that this agreement is not specifically limited to the activities named herein, which would be internet harassment, which is my initial claim. There are several more. I further agree not to engage in any activity, regardless of official title, that is done in violation of Wayne Dodson's legal rights. If I fail to cease performing these activities, Wayne Dodson may pursue legal action against me in accordance to his legal rights. This agreement acts as a contract between perpetrator's name, Michael Yuri Janitch, and Wayne Dodson. Forbearing enforcement of legally enforceable remedies is sufficient consideration to support this agreement. Understand what I just said. Forbearing enforcement of legally enforceable remedies is sufficient consideration to support this agreement. This agreement represents the entire agreement between the parties. Any statements made orally, written, or otherwise which are not contained herein shall have no impact on either parties' rights or obligations elaborated in this agreement. And then it goes on, date, perpetrator's printed name, perpetrator's signature. So this video cease and desist letter, as well as the video cease and desist compliance agreement, is directed towards Michael Yuri Janitch, or Yuri Michael Janitch, or whatever he prefers to call himself. aka Dutchsinse, and you've been notified.